Hey, my friend, Adam here. What if I told you that you could wake up tomorrow and have made $500 in your sleep without running ads, building a brand, or sending a single cold DM? You see, most online businesses and side hustles, well, they feel like full-time jobs. You're chasing clients, stuck in tech overwhelm, or worse, burning money on Facebook ads that go nowhere. But this is different. I use one simple AI tool that works like a 24/7 digital assistant, instantly replying to missed calls and booking appointments and following up with leads, all on autopilot. Now, you can use this for your own business, or you can do what I do and set it up for small local businesses like dentists, realtors, chiropractors, the kinds of places losing money every single day from missed calls and slow replies. And they happily pay me $300 to $500 a month in order to fix that. And once it's set up, it runs on autopilot. There's no coding, no startup budget, no marketing degree required. I've used this exact setup to help hundreds of small local businesses, from chiropractors to electricians and everything in between, and help them generate thousands in extra revenue without lifting a finger. And the craziest part is that most of them have never even heard of this kind of automation before. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you how this AI system actually works, why local businesses are happy to pay $300 to $500 a month, sometimes more, in order to get it, and how you can set it up in under 15 minutes, even if you've never done anything like this before. Oh, and just to be clear, not selling you anything here. In fact, I'm giving you my entire marketing system, the same one that I use every day to generate passive income, for 100% free. And if you hit that like button and drop a comment below that says giveaway, I'll even send you all of my templates, access to a private members only marketing community, and a private link to join a free 5-day challenge. All this for free. Sound good? All right, cool. Let me walk you through what this looks like in real life, because once you see it, it just clicks. Okay, so how it works is that I help small local businesses, think dentists, realtors, massage therapists, people like that, generate more leads and book more appointments using simple AI automation. And I get paid a monthly recurring income for doing this every single month. Let me give you an example. Let's say there's a local massage therapist who runs her business solo. She's great at her job, but while she's working with a client, she misses 3 calls from new potential clients. And those 3 missed calls, they don't leave a voicemail, they don't try to call back again later. When she doesn't answer, they simply move on to the next listing on Google and are lost forever, at least to her. So how we fix this is that we set up a super simple AI system for her that catches all those missed calls, either by answering the phone for her automatically using something called voice AI, more on that in just a second, or by replying to the missed call instantly with a text message using something called conversation AI that sends a text message that sounds something like, "Hey, sorry we missed your call, we're currently with a client, how can we help you today?" From that point, whether you're using voice AI to answer the phone and actually have AI speak to the client, again, more on that in just a minute, or you're using conversation AI to respond to missed calls with a text message, the AI takes over and answers questions, handles follow-ups, and can even book appointments right there on the spot, all automatically. Which means no missed leads, no lost revenue, no wasted time, just more business, more clients, and more revenue without the stress. And because these tools like conversation AI and voice AI are powered by AI, they work around the clock. They don't take breaks, they don't call in sick, and they cost a tiny fraction of what a full-time receptionist or assistant does. I'm sure I don't need to tell you, but for small business owners, this is a game changer. And for that kind of consistent, hands-free result, they're happy to pay you $300 to $500 per month. This is because most local businesses are leaking leads. They're just not set up for instant replies, and that delay kills their conversions. And they already know this, they just don't know how to fix it yet. So let me walk you through the complete 3-step system here, as again, super simple, but incredibly powerful. Step 1, find small local businesses. These are dentists, chiropractors, plumbers, pretty much any local service-based business is your ideal client here, because these are the businesses that are most likely to miss calls and therefore lose out on revenue and potential clients. Plus, most of them are actively trying to grow and get more clients, but they usually don't have the systems in order to support that growth. And these kind of businesses are everywhere. Odds are good you're already using some of them and can just straight up talk to them. I mean, just thinking back over the past week, there was a ton of local, small, service-based business owners that I dealt with personally, including the dry cleaner, there was a couple restaurants, a mobile car detailing, a landscaper, I needed an electrician to fix our dishwasher, it was a nightmare, and I was supposed to call a window washer too, but I forgot. So I'm gonna write myself a note right now. But even if you didn't leave your place once last week and you just hibernated like a complete hermit, you can still find all these businesses and more just by going to Google, let's do that now, and typing in any local service-based business you can think of, and then typing in your city name or even just near me and seeing what comes up. Then scroll down to the map listings, click more places, and you've got dozens, if not hundreds of potential clients available for you to contact and offer these services to. I'll put a list of the best local service-based business niches that you can use to get started right here on the screen. So feel free to pause or screenshot this, as any of these are going to work just fine. Step 2, set up a simple AI automation. This AI automation I use handles calls and messages and bookings, and don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get a free 30-day trial to the exact software I use, as well as a free training and templates and scripts and coaching, and even a one-on-one kickoff call, all for free at the end of this video. But for now, what you need to know is that this step is where the magic happens. And by simply copying and pasting over this AI automation, you're plugging a massive leak in their business and turning missed opportunities and missed calls and missed conversations into booked appointments with just a few clicks. And like I said before, we're going to do this in one of two ways using AI. The first option is to set up something called Conversation AI, along with a missed call text back feature. This means whenever someone calls and nobody answers the phone, the system will automatically send them a follow-up text message to follow up so that you never miss a potential lead. And all you need to do to set this up is just log into your account, click the pre-built automation, then you can make any tweaks or edits that you want to the messaging, and well, pretty much all done. The other option, which is arguably even cooler, is to use voice AI in order to have AI automatically answer the call and have a conversation with the potential caller, and also collect their name and their contact info and the reason for calling, and even book them an appointment right there on the spot. And just like before, setting this up is super simple too. In fact, let's make a new one together right now. First, I'll log into my account and then click Create Agent. I'll change the name to Adam Erhart's Butt, and the business name to Adam Erhart. From there, I'll pick an AI voice that I like the sound of. Let's try Jessica here.
Hey, Worldly 11 Labs friends, let's talk. Let's have a conversation about anything. My name's Jessica, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you.
Yep, that'll do just fine. So I'll click Next and ask the AI to collect the caller's name and email and issue. Now, later I might come back and trigger a workflow, which will link up an entire automation to automatically send emails and SMS and follow-ups and all kinds of other marketing magic. But for now, let's leave that blank. After that, I'll click up here to advanced mode, and this is where things get really cool, as the prompt that they have in there right now is pretty good, but I've crafted an even better one. So I'm just gonna copy and paste that into the prompt area, and now our AI is running on jet fuel. And don't worry, I'll make sure that you get access to that prompt as well when you sign up for the free course. And finally, I'll click Next, pick a phone number to use, and then hit Save. And we're done. In fact, just for fun, let's call it now to make sure it works.
Hey, you have reached the office of Adam Erhart. How can I help you today?
Hello, office of Adam Erhart. It is Adam Erhart calling. I'm just curious if I could speak to a team member at some point about services you offer.
Hi, Adam. Thanks for reaching out. I can help get you connected with a team member. Can I start by confirming your name? Just to make sure I've got it right, it's Adam Erhart, correct?
Yep, that's correct.
Great. Thanks, Adam. Is the number you're calling from the best one to reach you at?
Yes, it is.
Perfect. And just to confirm, that's the number ending in 7899?
Yep, that's also correct.
Awesome. Lastly, could you give me a brief idea of what services you're interested in? I'll pass it on to our team.
Yeah, I'm mostly just curious about the YouTube publications schedule, when the next video is going to be released, that kind of thing.
Got it. You're interested in the YouTube publication schedule. I'll make sure our team knows. Thanks so much for calling, Adam. Someone will reach out to you shortly. Have a great day.
Goodbye. All right, I got a little weird at the end, but it works like a charm. So with that done, let's move on to step 3, where you're going to charge $300 to $500 a month for this and keep 100% of the profits. Step 3, charge $300 to $500 per month. All right, here's the deal. When you're offering this service, you're not selling your time. You're offering a results-driven system that delivers value every single day without your ongoing effort. What's even better is that most local, small, service-based businesses out there have never seen anything like this before, which makes you instantly stand out from all of the other people and agencies offering web design and SEO or social media marketing services. Because with this system, you can set up a virtual assistant that answers missed calls and replies to texts and DMs and chats and books appointments on their calendar and collects all of this information automatically. And it takes you about 10 minutes to set it up, again, with no coding, just a few clicks. And you control it all from one simple dashboard that you've got full control over. And here's why business owners absolutely love this, and why they're happy to pay you $300 to $500 a month for it. Hiring a full-time assistant costs around $3,000 per month, plus the headaches of interviewing and training and managing people. But with this AI setup, they get the same kind of support, the 24/7 appointment booking, the follow-ups, and the lead handling, all for just $300 to $500 per month. It's basically a no-brainer. They save time, money, and stress, and you get a predictable stream of monthly income. Do you see the difference here? This isn't just cost-effective, it's a total upgrade. And the best part is that you set it up once and it keeps delivering value every month, which means you get that monthly recurring revenue without starting from scratch every single month. And that is the holy grail of online business. Now, at this point, the big question usually comes up, but why would a small business hire you? And it's a great question, but the answer is really simple. They'll hire you because they're simply not going to do it themselves. Busy small business owners are busy. They simply do not have the time to figure this stuff out. They're not watching videos like this or diving into automation tutorials. They don't want to learn how to use AI tools. They just want it done for them. So you're offering them a shortcut to these results. You get to learn how to do this once, you get to offer it as a service, they get results, and you get paid. And you can do this over and over again for tons of different businesses. What you're offering here is a done-for-you system that solves real problems that they deal with every day, like missed calls and no-shows and lost leads. And you're fixing it for a fraction of what it would cost to hire a full-time assistant. That's why they hire you. They don't care about your resume, they don't care about your experience, they care that you can fix this problem. And you can. And if you're still watching, here's the only thing left to do. Tap or click the link in the descriptions below this video to sign up for the free course and activate your 30-day free trial of the exact AI-powered software that I use to do this. You're gonna get everything you need to launch your own automated income-generating business starting today. This means you're getting the full AI software, pre-built templates, bots, and automations, one-on-one Zoom coaching, our 5-day challenge to help you land your first paying client, and over $7,000 in free bonuses, all with zero upfront cost. No experience needed, no cold calls, no risk. Just tap or click the link below, enter your info, and we'll send you access right away. This is the easiest way to start or scale your own online business with nothing to lose and everything to gain. So make sure to do that now. And if you're looking for even more information on how to find local clients, land your first deal, and stack even more $300 to $500 monthly retainers, then check out the video that I've got linked up right here on how to make money using Google Maps, as I think it's really going to help you out. All right, talk to you again soon.